Good day. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Dewey Decimal Classification System that is used in our library collection and other libraries as well. So, let's get started. The Dewey Decimal System is a way to organize books based on the book's content. It was designed and published by Melville Dewey in 1976. The system is mainly used to organize nonfiction books within a library by grouping them into common topics, so books are easier to find and put away. When a new book arrives at the library, the librarian first decides if it's fiction or nonfiction. So you already know the difference between fiction and nonfiction. And then they load it onto their catalog, and the computer tells the librarian where the book will go. Here are the main categories under the Dewey Decimal System. As you can see, here are the numbers that is used in the books that we have in our library and other libraries as well. Each part of the Dewey Decimal number gives you information about the book and what is it about. It also helps the librarian, or you put it away much easier. So as you can see on this illustration up there, so you will see the number 500 in the Dewey Decimal Classification. So it is divided into subtopics such as animals or under 590, mammals under 599, and other topics. When we are learning or researching a topic, we can go to one place in our library and find all the books about that topic. So the numbers help us put books away in the right place, as we can look at the Dewey Decimal number on the book and take it back to where it belongs. Use the numbered parts. Start with the hundreds place to know the area, then use the other numbers to find the right place. Just always go in numerical order. For example, your book is under 599.884. First, you're going to find the 500 section of the library. Next, go towards the end of the 500 section. Next, find books with the same number or one larger or smaller to find the right place. Some libraries no longer use the Dewey Decimal System. They have been organizing books into topics without using numbers. Many of these libraries use stickers that tell you where it belongs. The stickers sometimes may look like this, but this can make it harder to find specific books. But in the case of our school library, we are using both the Dewey Decimal System and the topic or the subject area so that you can easily find the book that you need. Most libraries organize their fiction books by the author's last name rather than by genre. This means that books by the same author will be together in one location. They're organized using alphabetical order. So here's an example of a fiction book with the call number COL. Step 1. Find the C section of the fiction section. Step 2. Go towards the middle of the C section. Step 3. Find books with the same letter or the letter before or after to find the right place. But sometimes it is not done because there are other fiction books that are grouped in a set of books. Just ask your librarian. They are very knowledgeable about books and where books go. They could give suggestions if you're looking for a book read or show you where to find books about a specific topic. Reminder, make sure to say hello and get to know your librarians next time you are in the library. That ends our video discussion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Till next time.